Hi guys, me Mikey. Welcome back to Mikey Matcha Garage. And some of you might not know, but I actually play Little League Baseball. And today, we're going to be building a DIY pitcher's mound. So if you want to see me do that, stay tuned. Now, we've had some old pieces of wood lying around, but we also had to get some new pieces of wood. And what you're gonna need is some 2x6s, 2x4s, and plywood. So now we're gonna cut the 2x6s into 6 feet which you're gonna mark it right at 6 feet. This is the part we're gonna cut off. Now we're gonna measure 24 inches on the 2x6s. And then now go to your other side and mark 2 inches on the end. Now you're gonna take your chalk line and measure it right here at this 2-inch mark. Then you're gonna go all the way to the top over here and mark it at the top. That will be our downward slope. Once you've got the first piece cut, you can use it as a guidance to draw the other piece. Now that we've got our wood cut, it's time to cut the plywood to size. Now we're going to cut the inner pieces for the pitcher's mound. So this is the pitcher's mound so far. And this is all the framework that we have done for it. This is what you will need to do if you want to build this pitcher's mound. So this is an update of the mound, and we're going to be putting on this artificial grass, and we've already put down this foam mat right here. So yeah, these are the features of the pitcher's mound. There is the pitcher's rubber, a line to help you make your pitch straight, artificial grass, and wheels and a handle for portability. So that is the pitcher's mound complete. As you can see, it is fully functional and it is very structurally sound. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Bye!